Hey guys, it's me Kimberly. Today we're doing Dawn's home and she lives in Newmarket. This room we did for Dawn was her living room. There's no TV in this space, so it's a more formal space. She had a sectional and a chair in there and a couple of ottomans. Not what she wanted. She wanted to open up this space, create more walkways. She has this beautiful black feature wall. So here's what we did. We kept that feature wall the same color. We added on black draperies just to give it some more drama, super exciting. 2 black velvet sofas, super long, 108 inches each, which we custom make in our factory. We did a beautiful credenza along that black wall. It was black on black, which again, super beautiful, very dramatic, absolutely loved it. And then we did a coffee table and 2 end tables for function.
Hey guys, hi. So today we're gonna pull fabrics. Kim is gonna go this week on accessory color. Perfect. So we're gonna start with the rock. It's one of my favorites. It has a lot of edging to it, a lot of dramatic effect, to say so. And I think it's gonna look really nice with the black wall that the client has in their room. So it has black, we have grays, we have silvers, so a little bit of everything to start with. Then she decided to do. We're gonna arc a sofa, so really traditional. She's gonna keep a little bit clean on that side. I like how the fabric is really clean and simple and makes the rock stand out because it has a lot of power, so it's not like fighting each other. Then she decided to
for her panels, we did black panels as well, so let's put that in there. Now for her coffee table, we did fresh silver finish with mirror at the bottom. That's the Caspian coffee table.
Sebastian, this room is uber dramatic. This client has one feature wall that's all this sort of deep black charcoal-y. So we still want to add a lot of drama to this space. And what we're going to do is this. We're going to have a big black lamp, black shade, crystal base, huge, massive, on that credenza. Then we're putting art there. So we're going to put this piece of art on that credenza. And because there's no signature, what I'd like you to tell the install guys is to mount it upside down the other way so that this is at the top and this is at the bottom, because we're going to be covering up some of the bottom of the credenza, right? So I want the lighter as a contrast against the wall. Does that make sense? Because it's original art, I try not to get it signed sometimes if I want to flip it around. If I think that I'm going to go horizontal or vertical, I'll sign it on an angle. But this one, I'm going right upside down. Okay, so big lamp goes here. Okay, on that corner right there, we're going to do, this will be a beautiful contrast on this side right here. Sweetie, you can start packing. Okay, yeah, so that's going to be there. We're going to have a lamp here and it's going to be asymmetrical, not balanced, okay? Because you want the lampshade closer to the window so it doesn't impact your sight line when you walk around the corner. You don't want to walk into a lampshade like, hello, I like you, but not that much, right? Okay, so now we're going to do the pillows. So we're still going to do black, but we need to bring up that taupe that's in there. They're big sofas, 108 inch, so we're going to do 5. So 2, like that. Another 2 on the other side. So both sofas are going to get 5 in different weights of each one. So we're mixing up these 3 pillows. Okay, that's that. On the coffee table. So on the coffee table, if you take your, we can do it over here. So we're going to put that piece. And we're going to kind of layer this. So this is going to be one thing with greenery. This is a square space. Vision square. This will be pulled up here. This. Gracias. And then 2 candle holders, 2 candles, and then a set of bookends, right? And probably, we'll probably do 3 or 5 of these books. A couple of these. And this is going to fill this up nicely, right? So you're going to cut these, you're going to open 3 big ones, that, a couple of these. You know what I mean? And it just sort of adds some interest. I'm not a big fan of coffee table design when they're doing like every corner books, this, that, it's all, because there's no room to put stuff. Where are you gonna put your coffee? You don't want to keep touching this. So this nice, I think that's it. Sometimes we test things pretty much of the time we know exactly what we want, but because this layout was a little bit more difficult, we tested some accessories on the end tables, and to be honest guys, I just thought it was too much. Once the team got there and they FaceTimed me, I didn't like it, so we took them away. You've heard the expression less is more. I do agree, in most cases that is true. It absolutely applied to this project. So this room now is functional, it's beautiful, it's elegant, it has all the elements of good conversation design. I absolutely love it. Let me tell you what I really think about the color black. I understand that black by definition is not a color, but if I can see it, I think it's a color. So I love designing with black these days. I think it gives spaces depth and warmth and drama. You may not want your whole house that way, and I totally get it, but in the right spaces, it's still very neutral because you can add any color to black and change it up. I absolutely love black. This is how the design program works. A nominal fee of $250 is charged. However, during your presentation, a purchase of $2,500 or more, we will take that $250 and credit it towards that purchase, which means the design portion of this program is absolutely complimentary. This is what happens at an in-home consultation. The designer will walk through a series of photos which you will circle, which will be your design personality test. This just gives us a sense of what you love. It is not the be-all and end-all. You can change your mind at any time, but this way we have a good understanding of where our starting point is. The designer comes to your home, measures one room at a time, takes accurate floor plan and elevation measurements. A week later, we see you back in the showroom where we present your 3D drawings and review your floor plans. We shop the showroom floor so that you can test all the sofas and beds and see what you love and what you're comfortable with. All of those pieces are rendered in our 3D software so you get to see them live, for real, in your room setting, accurate, real time. It's amazing. We can change things up. If you want a sofa, but your husband wants a sectional, we can try them both until you guys are both happy with exactly what we've placed. And then we go forward, and once the models are selected, we then pick the fabrics, the finishes, the materials. We talk about all of that until we curate the perfect design just for you. I'm Kimberly Capone, and I truly believe you should live in rooms you love. Visit our showroom and sign up for your free design consultation, and together we'll create the perfect space.